It's a really good riveter, but the only thing I notice is, I mean, it's the little piece flies out the back here. It does a great job. It's an Ultra Pro brand. I think it's Napa Auto Parts. I bought it years ago. It doesn't have any other tips, so when you're using this, it's the only problem. I might have to take my other hand riveter and shave down the tips, and it only fits one size little thin rivet. It's good for small stuff. It works really good, because I know if you ever try one of those little hand squeezer ones, they're not too easy, and you got to get a really good grip on them. This one, boof, just like it like instantly does it. This one's in really good shape because it's been used about maybe, I don't know, a dozen times. It's out of my drawer. Works good, does the job. You ever do a lot of riveting, I highly recommend you buy one of these. If you do 1 rivet or 10 rivets, the only reason why I bought this, I think, is basically because it was on sale. It's what, 90 psi it says. I think my compressor's setting at 100. I usually don't like. I mean, I shouldn't lie. I mean, I usually don't buy tools I don't use. But this one, I think it was like $40. It's like 10. I had this thing for almost 10 years, if not more. So, if you ever get it, it's a cheap one. It wasn't a $200 tool. I know what I used it for. I used this years ago to make a smoker. Barbecue smoker, and I riveted the whole thing together. And then I think halfway through it, I decided to use self-tapping screws because I think I ran out of rivets at that time. But yeah, it's a pretty good tool. So if you ever find one of these, pick it up and, I don't know, go crazy with it. Have a good one.